Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashri. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to create boho painting wall decor on homemade base. So let's start with this DIY. Here I am pasting 2 layers of cardboard with 1 layer of hardboard. You can also use here any good quality cardboard. After that, here I am using white color cotton fabric, pasting it on the cardboard using fabric glue. Now here our base is ready. Here I am creating 3 pieces of this base. Now here I am drawing freehand drawing on this base. After that, coloring it with acrylic color. Try to use boho color palette for painting. Now here our first canvas is ready. After that, I am going to complete these another 2 canvas pieces. Here I am drawing some easy boho vase with leaf pattern. These paintings are very lightweight, so you can easily hang these on the wall using double-sided tape. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.